Compare and order rational numbers with or without a number line. Greatest to least or least to greatest. Convert the same type, decimal or fractions. Find a common denominator. Order the following rational numbers using the number line provided. You can do this a couple of ways. You can put them all into the same form, as in fractions or as in decimals. I'm going to put them all in decimal form. 1 4/5. I know it's 1 decimal. 4/5. 4 divided by 5. The top number goes in the box. Bring my decimal up. 5 will go into 40 8 times. So this is 1 and 8/10. 1 5/7. I know it's 1 and 5 divided by 7. 7 will go into 5 7 times, and this is 49. 7 will go into 10 1 time. This is 7 3. 7 will go into 30 4 times. This is 28. So I'm going to stop there because I think I pretty well can tell what my decimal will be. So I'm going to put 1.71. 5/3. 5 divided by 3. 3 will go into 5 1 time. I add a decimal, add a 0. 3 will go into 26 times. It looks like this is going to keep repeating, so I'm going to put 1.6 with a light over it. This is a bar notation. 1.6. This is already in decimal form, and I'm going to move this 2 spaces. My Dr. Pepper, 1.6. Now I can easily line these up. 1.8, 1.71, 1.6, 1.75, and 1.60. And remember, this is a repeating 6. So I'm going to look and see which one is my smallest. My smallest is 1.6 E. My next smallest is C. Then I have 6, because I am looking, because all of these were the same, so I'm looking at the second number. I have 6. Then I have 7. I have 2 7s, so I look next door. This one's bigger, so smaller, so this is 3. And that was B. And this is D. And my biggest number was A. Grant and 3 of his friends were having a free throw contest. Grant made 7/20 free throw. Quinn made 88%. Travis made 82%. And Mitzi made 13 out of 15. List the players from the person who made the most free throws to the least. So, if I do 17/20 to 100 times 5 times 5, 17 times 5 is 85. So this is a decimal 85. Quinn is decimal 88. We already have here, so let's put 13/15 into a decimal. 13 divided by 15. 15 will not go into 13, so I'll add a decimal, add a 0, and bring my decimal up. "15 times 8 is 120. So I have 10, add another 0, bring it down. 15 will go into, let's try 6, which is 90. This will be another 6, repeating 6. So this is 0.866. So now I have 0.8588. So it looks like Quinn, and we want the most free throws. It looks like Quinn is the most. So we have Quinn out. Mitzi is the next. Then Grant. And then Travis.